Welcome to Economics is Life. I am Pulkit Sharma, and in this video we are going to study what, how and for whom subject matter of microeconomics. It is noteworthy that the analysis of first three central problems, namely what, how and for whom to produce, are discussed in what is now called microeconomics. Microeconomics studies behavior of individual consumers as to what they will consume and demand, of producers or firms as to what and how they will produce, of individual industries as to how demand for their products and the supply by them will determine their prices. It is demand for and prices of various products that determine the allocation of various resources among them. Besides, microeconomics studies how prices of factors such as wages of labor, rent of land, interest on capital, and profits of enterprise are determined. It is these factor prices that on the one hand determine the incomes of the various individuals, right? In the form of factor payments, which is paid to the factors of production, right? According to the proportion of their production, according to their contribution in the production process, right? The labor gets wages, land gets rent, capital gets interest, and the entrepreneur gets the profits, right? In this way, it determines the income of various individuals and hence the demand for various products. And on the other hand, determine the cost of products. It is the money incomes of various people that determine who would get how much from the national output.